wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi kids! From A to Z.
From east to west.
I'm Noah.
And I'm Olivia.
Welcome back to Dream Again!
Yay! Hi.
Hi.
Roar!
Roar!
Roar! Roar! Wow. Do you know why we're doing that?
Kids, can you guess which game we're playing today?
Yeah.
Did you say war?
War!
War!
Roar!
Roar!
Roar! Roar! I will win with... Oh, wait, hold on. I'll do like this. Roar! Whoosh! To be a fire-breathing dragon.
Oh, because you're gonna try to beat my dragon, which is the number 9?
Yeah, I'm gonna try to win your number 9 with my number 9 with a dragon. Like this. Whoosh! Fire!
Nope.
Yep.
War is a boys' game.
No way, Jose. War is a girl's game.
Really? Why?
I think war is probably anybody's game.
That's true.
Yeah.
I think you're right.
Yep.
So
today it's going to be my game, though, because today I am going to win.
no, I think I'm gonna win because I'm stronger.
I think I'm stronger.
Well, next time we're gonna do
Arm wrestling. I'm going to win. Roar!
No, you won.
Arm wrestling. I win.
Well, then
So
I just
sorry.
have to win in war. Should I explain how this game goes?
Yeah, please tell everybody.
Okay, so you basically just need a deck of cards. We have a special card game set with war soldiers on it, but you can basically use any type of card game that you have at home.
Yep, just a regular one works fine. Anything.
Yep.
Yep.
And the way the game goes is the highest card wins against the lowest cards.
Yep.
So we both draw at the same time. And for example, on our deck, 9 is the highest card.
Yep.
And if I draw a 9 and you draw a 5,
Yep.
I win.
Yep, and then he won that battle.
Yes.
Yep.
So, but what happens if we both draw a 7? Do you know?
I do, but maybe do you want to tell the kids at home?
I do.
Okay.
So if we both draw a 7, that means it's war!
Roar!
War.
Yep,
War.
I'm very fierce.
That's war. So what happens is we both on the blind side. How do you say it?
We put him down. Yeah, face down.
Yeah.
Face down.
Oh yeah, that's a good one. So what happens is after we draw war cards, meaning that we both have a 7, we put down 3 cards face down.
So you can't see them.
So we can't see them.
Yeah.
Exactly. And on the 4th card,
Yep, the 4th card.
we put them so you can see them.
Yep, face up.
Face up.
Yep.
Exactly.
And-
And then whoever has the highest card on that one wins the war.
Yep.
But
But,
if we both draw the same card again,
woo! Double war!
it's double war!
Double war!
Exactly. And then we do the same thing again. 3 cards face down, 1 card face up.
Yep. And then I win and I take all the cards.
No.
That's not how
I
it
win
works.
and I take all the cards.
Nope, I win and I take all the cards.
Well, I guess we just have to see for ourselves.
Yeah, I guess we'll just have to see.
Are you ready to play?
I'm ready. We have to shuffle
Okay.
the deck.
Let's start. I'll
Yay!
shuffle.
Let's start. Roar!
Ah, ha ha ha. I see you have met me on the battlefield.
Yeah, I shuffled and dealt them, and now it's time to play war.
War!
War.
Huh. Ah, you get that one.
I get that one.
Okay. And huh. Oh,
I get that one.
you get that one. And wait a minute. You ready? Whoa! Ah, man.
What's What's wrong with you?
You shuffled.
I did.
Yeah, I don't know. You shuffled, so that's on you. Okay, and wah! Oh no!
I'm winning!
Yeah, I'm doing real bad. Okay, and wah! Oh, if it's a 1, you can just take it. It's gonna be lower than yours. Yep.
It could have been a 1 too.
Yeah, that's true. Whoa! Nope. We didn't shuffle very well, I guess. Okay. And
Whoa!
oh, 7!
We're going to war. So we put on 1, 2, 3.
2.
And the 4th one we draw?
Yep, and the 4th one we draw. Okay, wait, hold on. Oh, hey, Sue. 3, 4!
No!
Yay!
You won that one.
Thank you. Did I get anything good?
Probably. 2, 3.
Nope.
Nope, you didn't.
Nope. But you would have gotten an 8 and a 9, so
Oh no.
it's good that you didn't get those. That's me. 3.
That's you.
Oops, I put some upside down and some upside up. 8. Thank you. Should I grab mine up now or wait? I can wait, huh?
Yeah, you can wait.
I'm going to put these ones upside up because I put them upside down. Okay.
Okay.
Ready?
Ready.
And 7.
It's you.
And 3. That's probably you. Yep, that's you.
That's me.
4. 5. That's you. Just barely. And 6 war.
6, 4.
War. I move those ones. 1, 2, 3. Can I look at my card and see? Uh-oh.
I'm gonna look too.
Uh-oh.
What do you have?
I don't know. We'll see.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Okay.
1,
2, 3. Double war! Oh man!
1,
2,
3.
3. Wait! Oh, wait! 3
And
ready?
what do you have?
6.
No, that's good. That's okay.
Yeah, I have a 7.
1. Okay, ready?
1,
1, 2, 3. No!
Oh! 6! Yeah!
That's not good.
Wow!
I just lost half of my
A
cards.
double war! I won a double war!
Oh no!
That was the first double war we had, too.
I lost all my cards. That's not good.
Yeah,
Here, I'll help you.
thank you.
You got all my good cards.
Ooh, yeah.
got my
I have a
nines.
6 and an 8. Oh, I got a couple 6s
Oh, I know what. That's okay.
and a 6. Oh, yeah, and a 1. Yep. Right.
Oh no, kids.
Ready?
I don't think I'm doing well in this game.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm ready.
Okay, ready. And, oh, there you go. 6, 2,
won.
and 7. Oh, that's
No.
me. Okay, I have to pick up my cards. Hold on. I'm ready. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay.
1, 2.
3. 9. That's mine.
That's yours.
And
1,
1,
2.
2. That's yours.
Okay.
And
1.
1, 2. Oh, you had a 2. 2.
no.
War. 1.
2. I don't have that many cards. I have
2.
to draw my last one.
Yep, you draw your last one, and I have 3. And are you ready?
I'm ready.
1,
Win.
2. Mine. 3.
Whoa! Double war.
What do we do? Oh, I think maybe you take your card, one of your cards that's on the bottom.
Okay.
Yeah. And I'll just flip this one, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
No! I lost. I lost.
I won. All the cards like this. Woo!
No!
Charge!
I want to play again.
Yeah, you want to play again?
Yeah, so I can
I
win.
want to play again too, but so I can win.
No, but you just won.
Yeah, but who knows? Who knows who will win next time?
Yeah, that's true.
Okay.
Okay, let's play again.
Yeah, let's play again. Okay. We
should
Okay.
say goodbye to the kids, though, yeah?
Yeah, so kids, remember when you go traveling or when you go on vacation
Oh,
or
yeah.
whenever you're somewhere where you think it can be boring, just take a deck of cards and you can
car.
play that wherever.
Yep.
And it's always fun. It always kind of kills time, but
Wow. Wait, it's always very, very fun.
it's always,
It's always
very, fun.
very fun, and it's a game that you can play with very little space. Like
Exactly.
even in a car.
Exactly. Or when you're at the airport
Yeah.
or the train station.
Yep. Or on the subway.
Or visiting grandma and grandpa when
Yeah.
it's
Oh,
boring.
it's a good game for grandma and grandpa because grandma and grandpa can play it.
That's true.
They would probably like it.
Yep.
Great.
Okay. Well, kids, have fun, and we'll
Have
see you
fun.
next time.
See you next time. Bye. Bye.
Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. They are the dreamers and they love to dream. Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi there. If you like what you see on Dream Again, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, like us, and comment down below. Thanks!